Hi there, you're with James from BH Sound and Lighting and welcome to this quick guide of the Chauvet Mini Kinta. The Chauvet Mini Kinta is a colourful derby disco light effect. Once you have set up the fixture, be sure to use the safety bomb provided if you are rigging above head height. The fixture has IEC connection for power in and also power out, so you can link on to multiple fixtures. We usually provide this fixture using the auto preset mode, so you can just plug in and play. To do this, press menu, select auto and press enter to save. With auto mode selected, use the dial to the left of the screen to set the sensitivity of the inbuilt microphone. This will now respond to music or ambient noise in the room. This fixture has 3-pin DMX connections, so you can connect to a controller or link multiple lights together using master and slave mode. From master and slave mode, set the effect that you want on your first light and select the remaining lights as slaves. You can set the DMX address of the fixture by using the digital display so that you can use with a controller. Thanks for watching this quick guide. Please like the video if it has helped, comment below if we can help with anything else, and subscribe to our channel for more of these videos. Thank you.